Vortech is installed. Nothing seems to be leaking. Fired right up. So this is the Vortech. It's installed. That was the first fire up. We backed it out. Nothing seems to be leaking. We filled the coolant back up. Got everything buttoned up. We got the coupler in. Now that's where the mass airflow is sitting right now. Power pipe's on. We'll take it for a test drive in a little bit. We got the bypass all hooked up, vacuums all hooked up. Seems to be idling pretty good. But this is what the foxbody's looking like. This is one of my buddy's foxbodies. There's really nothing too much done to it. It's just a basic clean vert. This is what the interior is looking like. Auto. Now I think it's been dyed, but it's not a bad job. They look pretty good actually. Door panels. It's got the white wheels, white top. Convertible GT. He has the one-piece headlights in it. They don't look too bad right now. I'm not a big fan of the one-piece. Fog lights are still in it. So there's not really too much done to this right now. We just put the supercharger on it, and it's gonna do some upgrades after that, or just drive it like it is, go and get it tuned. But it seems like it's running pretty good right now. It's definitely gonna need a tune. I didn't touch any of the distributor or anything. Didn't have to take any of that out. I just changed the plugs, put the coolant back in, and that's the supercharger kit. So let's see if we can get this back on. Put the radiator cap back on. Now this has the SCT, bigger mass airflow, and the 42-pound injectors. I think the fuel pump's stock, but fires right up. Had to space the fan out a little bit, slice a little bit of the blades to get it all to work. This is a Vortech V2 that we just finished installing here. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit, just get a little bit of the dust off. It's already pretty clean. And check over everything again, and then take it for a test drive. Make sure it's all good. But man, it's looking good. It's looking good. So yeah, there you have it. That's my buddy's Fox that I just finished installing the Vortech on. You want to keep seeing these videos, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and we'll catch you on that next one. Peace.